Today I'm going to restore the headlights on this car in 2 easy steps. The first product I use is a wet and dry 3000 grit, and then I'll polish with a T-cut. All these products you probably have in your house. I'll use an electric cordless drill to do the polishing. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you just need your sandpaper, a small bottle of water, and just give it a little wet. And a light sanding it needs, just to take the top off. It hasn't gone too far into the plastic, it's only the surface. I didn't use a lot of water because I want to mask up the areas that we're going to polish. So with a bit of masking tape, nothing fancy. There we go, all masked up. And we take our electric drill, which I have a little polishing pad which I got off eBay. I'll put that link in the description. And this is what we have. Very simple little polishing tool on the electric drill, and then we'll be using the T-cut, which you'll probably have in your garage, and just apply a little bit to the pad. I'll say a little bit, it'll come out quite a lot then. And then start to polish. Let's give that a little wipe. See how the shine's coming back. Give that a small polish up, see how you're doing. You can see that it's coming back to its original condition. It just wants a small bit over here, so I'll take some more T-cut. That polish up to see if we need to try any more. There's just a little bit on this side here and a bit there. Just give it a polish off. See how we've done. Still a tiny bit there and a tiny bit there. As simple as that, it's just 2 easy steps. So we'll take off the masking tape. And there you are. I've just changed the angle to what I was filming at because it didn't show the shine properly. Well, I didn't think so anyway. It didn't look as shiny as it does when you come around this side and look. And now I'm moving the camera around to the front. I think it's probably the daylight that I was filming under. So if you like the video, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll do a few more of these videos. Thanks for watching.